Afrospace TV, Africa to the world.
Music,
Check.
vibe,
Check, check.
body.
Check, check, check.
You're welcome to Afrospace TV right here, and this is Random Converse. I am your host, VJ Moyo, and with me here is my beautiful, scintillating co-host, as you can see, Anike Ade.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Random Converse. I'll be right here in the studio with you with VJ Moyo.
That's what's
Keep
up.
it up, down, keep it simple, stay happy, go with us, follow the flow.
Beautiful people, you know on Random Converse, this is what we do. We discuss trending issues, juicy stories that are trending all around the world, both on social media and, on the terrestrial. We discuss it, we break it down for you just to know what's up. Sometimes we have guests, but today it's just myself and my beautiful co-hosts. And we're going to be discussing Twitter ban today, okay? So we're going for this commercial break, this music break. Beautiful music for you like we always do. And when we come back, we'll discuss Twitter ban. Don't go anywhere.
Stay with us. Welcome back from the short musical break. That was Adekunle Gold with It Is What It Is. All right, I am Anike Ade right here in the studio, and with me I have this
VJ Moyo.
Yep, and it's still Random
Converse. All right, beautiful people, before we went on a musical break, we were talking about Twitter ban. You know how we do on the show? We discuss this trending issue on the show. Sometimes we have guests, but today just myself and my beautiful damsel the Lord has given to me. Okay, so today we're discussing...
The Lord did not give. Let's take it easy with that.
Oh, okay. So are you okay? Anyways, all right. Today we are doing Twitter ban, as she has refused to be mine. So we're just going to talk about Twitter ban straight up. You know,
Yep.
it has been a topic of concern in Nigeria and outside Nigeria. A lot of dignitaries, a lot of big people outside the country, including United States and Canada, dropped press releases
painful.
about this Twitter ban in Nigeria, and they feel it is the infringement on the right of freedom of speech of Nigerians. What do you think, baby?
It is an infringement on our freedom of speech,
As in, you
on our
think?
rights.
Yeah.
I know. I don't even think. Thinking is like, I'm trying to feel like I know that it's an infringement.
Like, once you stop people from talking.
This app is, I don't know, this app is one of the best things that has happened to us as youth in this
Yes,
country.
yes.
We fight crimes with it. We create job opportunities with it. We make friends, we mingle, we meet new people, connections over and there, and
True.
then all of a sudden it's just out.
And it's so painful because these things are actually not right. This same Twitter they are suspending Nigerians from using is the same Twitter they used to tweet that will be suspended. Like, the irony is just too much. So we're seeking your own opinion. Want to know what you feel about this Twitter ban. So it's right there. You're watching Afrospace TV. So just scroll down. You will see where you can pass your comments. Tell us how you feel about the Twitter ban in Nigeria, and if you really think it's infringing on the right of freedom of speech of Nigerian people. Okay.
We just want to know your opinion. We want to know your opinion. Me personally, I feel like it's bad.
The most
Putting
interesting
in
part,
mind the
that's
jobs,
what?
The jobs.
The jobs,
are
the job
out
opportunities people get out there. People use Twitter to sell their product. Once I'm done shooting this video, there's every possibility I want to put it on Twitter so that people can see. And if I cannot use Twitter, then it's going to limit my productivity to some extent.
So sad.
the interesting part for me is when Twitter was banned in Nigeria and we cannot use Twitter, a lot of people started using VPN and they say stuff like, I'm tweeting from Canada. Where are you tweeting from?
I'm tweeting from the UK.
Some people
United
said,
Kingdom.
somebody even said, before you people say it is permanent, let me change my own. Okay, so we've also been able to find cruise and fun in these trying times. Okay, so if it's trying for you, if it's a trying time for you, if you're enjoying it, let us know in the comment section right there.
Yeah, it's a cruise nation.
It's a cruise nation. So we're going to go for another music break because on the show we give you Tori gist and then we still give you Bedu music. Okay, so we're going for this beautiful song. It's titled Bad Energy by Wizkid featuring Skepta. My people, it's still Afrospace TV and we're still right here on Random Converse. I'm your host VJ Moyo. I'm still with my beautiful scintillating co-host Anike Ade. And before we went on the music break, we were talking about Twitter ban, how it started, how we're faring, how a lot of people stopped using. Those are used VPN, those are going through the back door. And we even heard this.
That we are not even tweeting at all.
And those are not tweeting at all. We even heard stories that police will start checking people's phones at bus stop to see if they're using Twitter. We don't know how true that is, but we've seen a couple of tweets saying police are stopping them. What do you think?
Depressing that is.
That's sad.
Do you know how depressing it is for you to just you be on your way out and the police stop you and then let me see your phone. Are you using Twitter?
And then start flogging you.
And they arrest you and then you get to prison and you be like, what are you here for?
I have Twitter on my phone.
What are you here for? Because I use Twitter.
But really, I was telling somebody on Facebook that the government has given a rule already, give on Caesar what belongs to Caesar. Do not use Twitter. So I think you shouldn't use Twitter for now. Having known that there was a Zoom meeting between Rugged Man and Shehu Gaba and Sheilo, where Shehu Gaba said it is not a Twitter ban, it is a Twitter suspension. Okay, so it feels like we might be coming back to using Twitter very soon. How do you think?
Well, how are they using Twitter to tell us news? You're not saying it that way. They're using Twitter
to tell us,
to tell us not to use the same Twitter.
It sounds like they don't take us serious. Like they don't take us serious. Okay.
Tell us on Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp probably, but not on Twitter. You're tweeting to us, telling us not to use something you're using to tweet.
Although it's not so good. Although on the show it is us to just catch cruise, talk, have fun, let us know that let you people know that it is not that bad, it is not so bad. There is always still a way forward. So the way forward now is the government is saying that Twitter is just suspended, not banned. So it's probably be brought back very, very soon.
And for them to bring it back, what you just have to do is
tweet responsibly, okay? Tweet responsibly.
It really tweet responsibly.
It does sound funny because it sounds like you're doing something wrong, but in a moderate way. Like you say, drink responsibly.
What do you mean doing something wrong in a moderate way? You're doing something. I don't know what's wrong in using.
It's just crazy. It's
like saying drink responsibly, but
tweet responsibly.
Tweet responsibly, guys.
That is what you just got to do. Tweet responsibly, okay? This brings us to the end of the show today. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful session of the show. So we'll come back again with more stories, more trending stories for you on Random Converse. It's a very short series. You can just click on it and watch just 10 minutes. Just enjoy yourself with the stories and then move on to the next thing. What do you think?
Exactly. He said it all. Do well to follow us, like, comment, and share to your friends. And also, do not forget to drop your opinions. We will be reading and we'll give feedback on them.
Keep it locked to Afrospace TV. There are more shows coming. If you check the right side of the screen, you will see other shows lined up right there for you. So just click on one and enjoy yourself. I am VJ Moyo, and she is
Anike Ade.
Till we see you again. We love you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Afrospace TV, Africa to the world.